So one of the best exercises there is for building the chest and the triceps is the parallel bar dip. Now there's two variations. You could actually concentrate more on the triceps where we're in more of a vertical position, and if we want to bring more of chest into it, we just go more, we're going to tilt our body forward a little bit. So I'll show you both variations on how to do it. Okay, it's a real good exercise. You don't need the gym, a couple of bars, and you can really basically build up the entire upper body. So let's get started. So first, a couple of things. When we do a dip, we're going to start in the upward position, and we want to come down to a point where our arms are at least at a 90-degree angle or lower if you could do that. If not, you want to get to at least 90 degrees. None of these half and quarter choppy reps. Okay, so you want to get at least to a 90-degree angle to get the full benefit of the exercise. So first one where we concentrate more on the tricep is going to be when we're in more of a vertical position. We want to keep our body upright. Okay, so that one's going to concentrate more on the tricep. Now if we want to bring more of the chest into it, build the chest a little more, all we're going to do is lean our body forward a little bit. Okay, so that's really about it with the parallel bar dip. Now, if you're not up to that yet, if you're not up to that level where you could do the dip on a parallel bar, we're going to go over and show you a little easier dip variation where you could do it on a bench. So let's take a walk over this way. Okay, so this move is called the bench dip. You could do it on a bench, on a chair, on steps, either way you want to do it. It's real simple. All we're going to do is take the palms of our hands, place them right on the edge of the bench or the chair or the stair, whatever you're doing it on. Now the beginner move for this is you're going to bring your legs out to about a 90-degree angle, and you just want to slip the edge of your butt off the bench, and you're just going to drop down and you'll press up. You're going to drop down and press up. And as you progress on this, what you're going to do is you're going to extend your legs out nice and straight. And again, when we come off the bench, we don't want to come too far out, because if we do that and drop down, it puts too much pressure on the front of the shoulder, and you don't want to risk an injury. So if you're going to straighten your legs, you'll come out right to the very edge of the bench, to where you're almost scraping the bench when you go down. And you're just going to drop and straight up. Drop and straight up. And again, the easier the modification would be about a 90-degree leg bend, and you'll just drop up and down. Nice and easy like that. All right, so that's a quick thing. It's a quick tutorial on a dip. Help to build up the back of the arm, the tricep, and the chest muscles. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.